So we'll start with a seated cat-cow. You can place your hands on your knees. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, round your back, look towards your belly button. Inhale up, look towards the sky. Move the chest forward. Exhale, round the spine. Look towards your belly button. Go ahead and repeat. Keep going. Move at your own pace. And last exhale here. Then we'll come back to a neutral spine. Bring your hands together in front of you. Inhale to open up, get big. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open up. And then exhale, round the spine, look towards the belly button. Keep going. And come back to neutral. All right, inhale up into mountain. And exhale, go twist the arms out to the side. Good, inhale up. And exhale out. All right, two more just like this. And one more. Lower down. So this one is not a back bending part of the pose, but it is great for your hips because we do sit a lot. You're going to come to the mat. And you're going to place our right leg on top of the left. Create a square. So you want your ankle on top of your knee and your other ankle under your knee. Flex the feet. And for many of you, this will feel great. But if you want a little challenge, feel free to walk your hands out and feel a deeper stretch. Inhale, and with every exhale, you can go a little bit deeper. And when you're ready, come back up. Good, switch legs. This time bring your left leg on top. Stack your ankles. Good, inhale, step tall. And exhale to fold. If you choose, you walk the hands out. And when you're ready, walk your hands back, come up. Good. Okay, let it go, come back to easy pose. All right, and then from here, into all fours. Hands over your shoulders, knees hip distance apart. Inhale, look up, drop the belly towards the mat. Exhale, round your spine, look towards your belly button. Good, inhale, look up, drop the belly. Exhale to round the spine, look towards the belly button. Or keep going like this. And when you're in cat cow, it feels good to make other movements, like side to side, for example. You do whatever feels good here, just to get your wiggles out and make any other adjustments or movements that feel good in your body. All right, come back down to the mat for a camel on your knees. So for camel on your knees, we're going to take 2 fists to make sure that your knees are hip distance apart. We're going to place them between our knees, and that's the perfect distance. All right, your knees are hip distance apart. All right, from here, take your 2 fists, place them in your lower back, push the hips forward. You're going to track your gaze along the ceiling. If you can see where the ceiling meets the back wall, then you can walk your hands down your body and grab your heels. If not, no big deal, you can just stay where you are. So push the hips forward, bring your elbows behind you, track your gaze along the ceiling. Feel free to stay here if you want. You can reach for your heels. Keep pushing the hips forward. And when you're ready, come up. The way you came in, have a seat on your heels, and close your eyes here. Just take a break. Camel can make some people feel nauseous, so as I mentioned, it's important just to take a break here and just breathe. When you're ready, with your eyes open, and swing your legs around for bridge pose. Right, so bring your feet flat on the mat, roll all the way down. Right. Bring your feet in so that your fingertips touch your heels. Inhale and exhale, push your hips to the ceiling. Good, and then roll it down, bone by bone. So let's try it one more time, just like that. Push the hips to the ceiling, and then roll it down slowly, bone by bone. Good. All right, so this time we'll go a little bit deeper, but we'll bring our hands together under us and clasp them together in a fist. And see if you can go a little bit higher, a little bit deeper into the pose. Release the hands and roll down bone by bone. Okay, relax here. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees open wide. Place your left hand on your chest and your right hand on your belly, and just take a moment here to breathe. Close your knees like a boat and place your hands under your knees. Prop yourself up to sit. Have your legs long out in front of you, toes up to the ceiling. Take a moment to move everything out of the way. Okay. Inhale, flip your arms up. Exhale, reach for your feet, your calves, your thighs, wherever you are today. Good. Inhale, and with every exhale, you can go a little bit deeper. And slowly roll back up. And from here, we'll continue to get a little bit deeper into poses that will not be heart opening, back bending poses, but they are still great for the spine, to massage the spine. All right, so we'll roll it down for happy baby. And bring your knees into your chest. Grab the outside soles of your feet and stamp your feet on the ceiling. If it feels good, you can straighten one leg, straighten the other, straighten both. Okay, that's up to you. Do whatever feels good. And you can certainly take some time to move side to side. It's another pose where you can get your wiggles out. So feel free to just take whatever adjustments you need here. And then when you're ready, bring one knee into your chest, bring your right knee in, left leg long on the mat. Inhale, and then exhale. We're going to bring our right knee over our body. Arms out into a T. If you have the space, if not, you can always go across your arms and look in the opposite direction of the twist. And as you bring your right knee over your body, look to the right to complete the twist. And then slowly come back. And switch legs here. Bring your left knee in this one. Right leg long on the mat. Inhale and exhale. Bring your left leg over your body. And look to the left to complete the twist. Come back. Bring your knees to your chest. Both knees into your chest. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders up. Look towards your belly. Get into a tight ball. And release. And bring one foot to each corner of the mat. Palms face up. The corpse pose. Just take a minute to breathe here. Allow your body to relax. Take a minute to relax your feet and your legs. Let your hips melt. Relax your abdomen and your chest. Let your arms and your hands relax. Lift your shoulders up a bit and then push them away from your ears. Let your jaw relax. Relax your eyes and your sockets. Let the space between your eyes relax. Let your whole body relax and just breathe in. And then when you're ready, you can twiddle your fingers and toes. Bring the knees to your chest and roll to your left side in a fetal position. And then push yourself up to sit.